So I have a tool rest tip for you today. I talk about all the time when I'm turning to line your tool rest up with the bed, the ways of the bed to get a straight cut, but you never can really see what I'm talking about. So I don't have any wood on here. We're just going to look straight down here and I'll point out what I'm talking about. This and this are the ways of the lathe. So everything slides on this, and this is what holds all the lathe together and the parts together, I guess. But anyway, what I'm doing is I'm looking at this edge right here on the lathe, and then I'm looking up here at my tool rest. So I slide it forward, and I'm looking straight down, and once these two align, I am perfectly straight. So any cuts I come up here and make and go like this, as long as I don't do this, I can make a perfectly straight cylinder. It's a quick and easy way to make a straight line. It's also helpful too if you just turn it this way. If you want to make something that goes at an angle, just keep your hands steady and you'll make a straight line. So that's what I mean by using the ways of your lathe to make a straight cut.